So hello guys, in this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to improve your voiceover audio quality, and you can make your audio sound like this. And please forgive me, I'm little busy, so I haven't been able to upload video regularly, and thank you for your support. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So I will use Audacity for this, and I also edit my voiceover with it, and this app link in the description, you can download easily. So open your Audacity app and import your audio, and when record the audio, the first 2-3 seconds parts will be recorded without any sounds. So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video for After Effects. Select that empty part, then go to the effect menu, noise removal and repair, click on the noise reduction, click on get noise profile and select full audio, and we will repeat the same process again and press OK. You will have to do this 3 to 4 times until background noise is completely removed. And again go to the effect menu, EQ and filters, curves, EQ and preset and settings and factory presets, then click on bass boost, then apply. We have go to the same place again, but this time we need to select treble boost. Then after that we will repeat the same process again, and this time we will apply the low roll of speech. And after that go to the effect menu, then volume and compression, and add to the compressor and follow my settings. I will add the normalization so that all the audio sounds level are same. So your audio is ready. And I am exported. If you want my export settings, then please comment. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you want more tutorial videos like this, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video guys.